You understand how weird that sounds, right?
I know.
I'm going to move with my wife, but I changed my mind?
Yep.
Yeah. This isn't a career question, it's a marriage question.
I'm currently in Dallas, and my husband is still in Florida. I accepted a job opportunity in aviation back in February, and I moved out here. My husband moved me out here. He's supposed to come and move out here with me. He owns a construction company in Florida, but he changed his mind. So I'm stuck on if I should move back and throw away this career opportunity that I'm currently in, or if I should stay here and him come out here. His business is up and down.
I got before Ken answers, I just gotta say,